It's Vlogmas, y'all. Hey, it's your girl Neisha and welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, hi, how are you? If you're not subscribed, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Neisha Amour. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey y'all, what's up? It's Vlogmas, baby. It's Vlogmas. So today I'm gonna be doing, well, because it's Vlogmas, I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways. So every 4 days I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. The first giveaway that I'm going to be doing is a pair of my lashes from my lash line, Amour lashes. So this is how we're going to do the giveaways for this lash. These lashes are retailed for about $20. They are super durable. They're mink lashes. I have them on right now. They are like, can you see that? They are like really bomb. So I'm gonna be giving these away to a lucky person that's watching this video. How to enter into this giveaway, right? The first thing that you're gonna be doing is you're gonna go into my description box down below. In the description box is going to be a link. I want you to click that link and go ahead and follow the directions that it tells you to do. And once you go into the link, I want you to type in your first name or your last name, however I can contact you, and go ahead and like my shop page. It's Shop Neisha Amour on Facebook. So these are from my Facebook friends. The next giveaway I'm going to be doing is going to be an Instagram giveaway. The next giveaway is going to be a YouTuber subscriber giveaway. So the first giveaway is these pair of lashes. You can definitely gift these to someone or you can have them for yourself. But I want you guys, I want you ladies to follow the description box below, like the shop page, and you will be automatically entered into the giveaway for these lashes, and I'll be shipping them to you for free at no cost, so you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, it's Vlogmas. I'm feeling really gifty. I want to give away a lot of things. I love Christmas. I love the spirit of it. I love the festivities, and I'm feeling the festivities right now. Like, I'm feeling it. So I just want you guys to, this is kind of like me thanking you guys for being along this journey with me. I started this journey last year around this time, so it's my 1-year anniversary too. So I'm gonna be giving away a ton of stuff. Like, literally, I buy things all day every day, so you guys are gonna be able to have it, whatever I have, whatever I'm giving away. So the second giveaway is going to be one of the dresses that's on my website at www.shopneishaamore.com. The link is below. We're going to be doing that next. I'm going to be giving away that sexy black dress that I wore on Instagram. I have your size and everything, so you don't have to worry about that, and I'll be shipping it to you guys too. So that's the second giveaway. The third giveaway, I'm going to be doing a raffle to enter you guys into winning one of the custom bobs that I create. So I can't wait for that one, because that one's gonna be so exciting. Like, I'm gonna be dyeing this bob red, so I'm gonna be giving away a red custom colored bob, and I'm just gonna keep doing these giveaways every single chance I get. It's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be great. Like, it's gonna be nice. Also, if you guys have any other ideas that you want me to do for Vlogmas, put it in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see. This is my first Vlogmas, and y'all, did you guys see that cute little like intro that I have going on? Like, that is so cute. I really enjoyed working with that person. I'm actually gonna list his name below. His name is Dami. He created that. He created the cartoon character for me, and he did an awesome job. So I'm gonna list his name below. It's really hard as a YouTuber or as a blogger or content vlogger to find someone that creates things for your channel, because you don't want to get scammed or whatever, right? So he was really good. So I'm gonna link his information below. Also, we are on our way to 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers, y'all. That is a big goal of mine. I feel like I'm 20 subscribers away from hitting that goal, so definitely keep hitting that subscribe button. Each subscriber count means the world to me. It just keeps me pushing, keeps me motivated. I appreciate everybody that comments. I kind of just want to drop a few names that's been constantly commenting on my videos. One person that's been commenting on my videos, I'm actually gonna pull it up because I want to do a shout out. Every time I give something away, I'm gonna be shouting out people that I feel like just been rocking with me. Okay, so April Newly Me, first person that commented on my video today that I dropped earlier this morning. Hey girl, yes, it did come out really cute. I love it. I'm still rocking it right now. Check that video out if you haven't seen it. I'll link it up below. That video, I'm not even gonna tell you because you're gonna go click the link so you can see it and then come back. So April Newly Me, thank you for giving me my first comment on that video. For all of my vloggers that's doing Vlogmas, y'all, I just want to shout y'all out real quick because the struggle is real if y'all is trying to do an everyday vlog. Mel the Lipstick Diva, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I see you, girl. Thank you. I want to see your Vlogmas. I really want to see your Vlogmas. I'm into everybody's Vlogmas, so send it my way. There's another girl I've been communicating with. What's her name? Gotta find her. Kiana Monet. I hope I said your name right. You have been rocking out with the past few videos that I've been doing. We do similar content. I saw your comment. You told me that you love Target. You get most of your boots from Target. I love Target. Target is like one of the best places to go. So thank you for giving me comments. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for the feedback. Yeah, like I'm just all here for it. All the girls that's on here. Let's see, John Batista collection that I did with H&M. Whoa. All right, that was really good. First person to comment, Shirley Smith, thank you. Yes, those shades are really cute. If you haven't checked that video out, check it out. So I'm just trying to shout out everybody that's been reposting my videos or commenting, subscribing, because every little count just exposes me to more people. So thank y'all, thank you guys. Also, big shout outs to Dennis, my brother-in-law. Love you. Can't wait to see you. I know you've been watching all my videos from South Korea, so thank you. I see you. Thank you for supporting me. Also, I have custom color bob units out right now. They're on sale on my website, www.shopneishaamore.com. Make sure you check out those custom color bob units that I have going on. It's holiday season. I want to make sure I get all these orders out at an appropriate time because these are custom colored units. What else? I'm going to be posting... The next Vlogmas that you're gonna see is me at Walmart, so that's another Vlogmas that you're gonna see. We're going, I'm not even gonna tell you because it's a surprise. I'm gonna surprise y'all. But yeah, I just want to come on here and let you guys know that I'm doing a giveaway every 3 to 4 days. I'm gonna be giving away lashes for the first one, so lashes, boom. The dress, the sexy black dress that I wore, number 2. Number 3, I'm gonna be giving away a custom color bob unit in the color red for the holidays. And we're gonna just keep going as the weeks go by, and I'm gonna try to do at least 15 giveaways. Yes. And it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be dope. So I can't wait for you guys to continue watching because I don't want you guys to miss any of these giveaways. I'm be having some giveaways for men too because I know there are some men that do watch my page. So thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. It's Vlogmas.
It's Vlogmas, y'all.